This is how you watch Paramount Plus from anywhere in the world. First, you need a good VPN to change your location to the United States. I use Surfshark and it has worked perfectly. I can watch content in Paramount Plus. If you want to check the latest deals of Surfshark, you can find the link in the description. They also offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test it risk-free. Now, another thing you need to get Paramount Plus is a US payment method. I personally use US Unlocked, which is a virtual US card. Now, US Unlocked has a monthly fee of about $4, and you need to deposit minimum $50 to get your US card. There's also an alternative called States Card, but last time I checked, they were not temporarily accepting new accounts. And once you have that $50 in that card, you can use it across multiple platforms, including Amazon, Disney, Hulu, Walmart, you name it. Once you have your VPN and US payment method ready, you're ready to sign up for Paramount Plus. Now turn on your VPN and go to ParamountPlus.com. You can use my affiliate link in the description that takes you directly to ParamountPlus.com. If you choose to do that, you choose to support my work at no extra cost to you. The link will take you directly to Paramount Plus sign-up page. As I'm recording this, Paramount Plus offers free trial. Now you have two plans to choose from. You have the Essential plan and the Premium plan. The Premium has everything in the Essential plan, plus it has no ads in the movies and series, but there will be ads in the live content. You can also watch certain shows in 4K quality. You can also download movies and shows on your mobile devices, and you can watch CBS Live. Also, you will get all the Showtime content. Once you decided which package is suitable for you, you'll need to enter your payment method. Now, if you signed up to US Unlocked, you have that US credit card you can enter here. As an address, you can set any address in the United States. Now it's time to log in to your Paramount account and start watching. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.